Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. And if you guys are returning, you guys are in for a treat because I know a lot of you guys are handbag fans just like me, and this is gonna be an epic handbag haul. I haven't done one of these, I haven't found so many bags like this in a while. So I'm really excited to share with you guys what I ended up getting. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, and most of these bags are going to be up in my shop at itsHadrian.com, and you can check out what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. So when I went thrifting, I actually went to one Goodwill, which I have been looking for items to use in the upcoming event that I'm doing at the Orange County Goodwill. So you guys want to check that out, I'll have links for all that stuff down below. And then I also went to Crossroads stores, which I haven't gone to Crossroads stores in like a hot minute. I probably haven't gone in like maybe 2 weeks, just because I've just been so busy doing all these things for the Goodwill, which I have just been having a ball with, but I just have missed the Crossroads stores. So I went, and it was amazing. It was so good. Okay, so let me start off with showing you guys what I only got one thing at the Goodwill. I have been trying to be really good at that store because I'm trying to leave goodies for the event because I'm pulling items for it, and I had to get this though because this is gonna go for a Halloween decor. Now I think he's like a bulldog skeleton. He has like a little collar thing right here. He's really cool. He was only $3.99, and I have another dog skeleton I'm going to put him with, so I'm pretty excited about that. He just has like a loose leg, but I just need to use a screwdriver to fix that up, and then he's going to be good to go. So I'm very excited about him. And he is also missing a rib, but that's part of his character, you know? He's just like rough and tumble bulldog right there, so really excited. Also the bulldog was my mascot in high school, so this makes me feel a little bit nostalgic for that. So that is fun. I'm really excited to have that part as part of the Halloween decor. And also let me know if you guys are decorating already for Halloween, because my nephew and I, we just started like a few days ago, and we started outside, and I'm just like slowly adding more and more stuff to it. And I'm super duper excited to do a Halloween decor video. So that is going to be coming up very soon. But let me know if you guys are decorating already, because I want to know how soon everyone just starts decorating, because I was like, man, I was like so like torn about decorating already, because it was still September. Well, it's still currently September right now, and it's been like the 90s. It's like so hot, and I'm like, and I already bought like these large pumpkins I want to put outside, but I'm like, they're just going to get moldy and gross. So right now they're just like sitting inside the house, and I'm like, oh, what am I gonna do? I can't even cut them yet, and I can't put them outside, so I'm just like, I'm just gonna enjoy them inside the house. So that's what's happening with that. Okay, anyway, let's get into the handbags, because I got a few really good ones. Let me start off with this. Now this one is a beautiful Rebecca Minkoff shoulder bag. Okay, the leather on this guy is exceptionally amazing. It's like that gorgeous pebbled leather, and it's a great gray, and it has light gold hardware. It has a turn lock right here, and this guy flips up like that. And it's literally like brand new. The bag has like no signs of wear at all, and it's stunning. And $47.50, but half off. So that was amazing. It was like $23.50 for this guy. So that's really nice. And that's before tax. So that's the one thing about like when you don't shop at Goodwill, you get taxed. Goodwill, you don't have to pay tax. You don't get taxed on stuff. Okay, next thing I have is this gorgeous Marc by Marc Jacobs satchel. Like, oh my gosh, another bag with amazing pebbled leather in black with the bright gold hardware. I always forget the name of this style, but this one is also in fantastic condition. There's a little bit of darkening on the interior, but other than that, it's beautiful. And this guy was only $32.50. So gorgeous. There is also a little like stain right there, but that's really easy to clean up. So actually there's like a couple little marks, but I think it's just like dirt. So we're just gonna clean that up, condition it, and it should be good to go. And I love this style too. I love like anything that has a top handle and then a long strap, because then you can just like carry it so many different ways, and that's just amazing. So there's that. And then kind of in keeping with that kind of style, right here I have this gorgeous Michael Kors drawstring. Oh, this one is beautiful. I love the color. It's like an army green with bright silver hardware. And it has this gosh darn super cute lock right there. It really works too. The key is right here. And you can actually lock this up. So if you want to like lock up the front, you can do that. So cool. And then the drawstring part opens up and the interior is nice and clean. This bag is gorgeous. It also comes with the original dust bag, which is always a plus. And this guy was $37.50. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is the perfect color for fall too. It's so nice. Love it. Plus I love the silver hardware. I love silver hardware. It's like one of my favorites. I love silver and I love gunmetal. Like those two like hardware colors. Amazing. Okay, then up next. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay. This one is so cute. Look at this beautiful Michael Kors. It kind of looks like the Celine, what's the name? Not the Phantom, the Celine Trapeze. Kind of looks like Trapeze. So stunning, right? Top handle, crossbody, and then this pops up like that. So cute. It has 4 pockets and then a zipper pocket. It even has like the little care booklet still that goes with it. And this one also is another bag that is in fantastic condition. So cute. The crossbody strap can also come off too if you don't want to use it and just have the top handle, which is so nice. So this is just such a gorgeous bag. It's so nice. It's like an introductory to the trapeze. I love it. And it's actually a really cool size too. I really like this size. It's like a medium, but it's like not too big, it's not too small. I feel like it's like the perfect size. So here it is, Michael Kors. And since we're on the Michael Kors bags, now I found this. I had this bag in the large as well, but it has thus sold already. But now this is in the smaller size, and this color is pure perfection. It's so gorgeous. It's like a true red color, gold hardware. Crossbody, top handle. This one looks also like another Celine. This one looks like the Celine luggage. And this is probably more akin to the nano size. So cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love this color too. It's so beautiful. Super clean. This one was a little bit pricier at $65, but the style is just like gorgeous and the color is exquisite. So had to pick it up, and I know you guys, I know a lot of you guys love this style as well. And I am a huge fan, and this is so cute. So there's that. Then up next, I have another satchel. This one is a Kate Spade. This is, again, I'm just like so many amazing bags. I'm so excited. I love this style of the Kate Spade. And it's in, again, beautiful, gorgeous pebbled leather, light gold hardware. This one was $42.50. Now this one's cool because this part, it unzips right there, and you can go all the way into the back. So it's like the perfect like travel bag. I feel like you can keep all your important things inside there, and the space in there is huge. But there's also a front compartment, which is really nice, and it just has a magnetic snap closure with 2 open pockets and then a zipper pocket in there. And then it also has not just the top handles, but it also has a crossbody strap, so you can carry it so many different ways. I love like kind of like the slouchy kind of look of it, and it's just beautiful. It's like gorgeous bag, and I am really excited to offer this up for you guys, for anyone who's as big of a fan of it as I am. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Okay, then up next, what do we have? This one is another really cool one. This one is fabric. It's like a nylon, and then it has leather handles. Okay, I am like so obsessed with the print on this. It's so graphic, it's so bright, so bold, so gorgeous. I love it. And I believe these are all like doodles from Marc Jacobs himself. So it's really, really cool. And this is Marc Jacobs collection. It's made in Italy, so it's not like marked by Marc. And this one was $32.50. So it just has a snap button closure, and then it has a singular pocket right there. But look at that, it's stunning. Well, it's like a work of art. Like, I would love this print like as a wall hanging. I think it would be so cool. I can't even decide what my favorite part about it is. Like, the whole thing is just like really cool and really fun. I wonder if he did this on the computer, like or if like he drew this on an iPad or something. I don't know. Or maybe they're just like a culmination of his art. I'm not sure, but it's so cool. So very excited about that. Okay, now we're getting into like the holy grail type find of bags right now, which I am super duper excited. Okay. So this one is the first one that I'm super excited to share with you guys, and so cool. Okay, so here it is. This one is a Chloe. Now this one is like so iconic. Do you guys remember? I don't know if you guys remember this bag, but this one is the one that you can actually unzip. I actually want to see what it looks like all unzipped. Like, I want to see it in real life. I remember seeing it like in photos when this style like kind of like first came out, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. I know a couple, I don't know who exactly started this style. I know Longchamp has a bag very similar to this, and then that's pretty much it. I just know that Longchamp and then Celine had this kind of like style going on, and forgive me for taking so long to open this, but I just really want to see how it looks in person, because I've only ever seen it in photos. And I remember when it came out and it was like in the magazines and stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh yes, look at that. So like how cool is like an accordion? Okay, so this is like the bag version of, do you remember like those pants that had like the zipper, and then you can like unzip like the bottom part, and then they were shorts, and then you zip them back onto their pants? Like, this is like the bag version of that. Like, it's so cool. And it has great fall colors. It has kind of like, I want to say it's almost like an olivey type of greenish. It definitely has yellow in it too. And then it has like the taupey, and then the brown, and like the zipper and all that stuff. So just really cool, really edgy. It has a little ID thing right there, and then the interior just has one zipper pocket. So really cool, fun bag. I just love the concept of like being able to zip the things open, and like the bag gets a little bit taller. Like, that's so cool to me, and I think this is such a fun bag. Okay. That one, oh, how much was this one? $95, I think? Which I think was a great price for this. $95. Yes. I don't even know if I want to sell this one, because I think it's so cool. I think I might keep it for myself. I'm not sure yet. But it's such a cool tote. I think it's so fun. Okay. Now, for the next two. Now these, I can't decide which one I like more. But, okay, are you guys... Okay, I'm going to show you the one that I got that was more expensive, because I feel like the other one I got such a good deal on it because the price was exceptional. So, okay, are you guys ready? Are you guys dead? Okay, so this is Louis Vuitton Speedy Damier in Azur, and it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? It does have like a little bit of like staining and stuff, but I think I can clean most of it off. So I'm definitely going to be doing a video on cleaning this baby, because I really want to see how well I can clean it up. But this one was the most expensive item that I bought at $295, but I think this is still a really great deal, because these bags hold their value pretty well, and if I can clean this up, we'll get like a good bang for our buck, right? So very excited. The only thing is, it didn't come with the key or the dust bag, which I'm totally fine with. You can actually buy like replacement keys very easily. So I'm so excited though, because it does have the lock still, which is fun. But yeah, so there we go Louis Vuitton Speedy and 30 in the Damier Azur. I kind of just like want to attach a crossbody strap to this and use it. Do you think I should? I don't know. Mom actually has this bag already, so I'm like, Mom's not gonna care. Like, I think she actually has it in the same size, or maybe even the 35. I don't know. But I know she has the same exact bag and the same exact color and everything. So cute, right? $295. What a deal. These are usually so expensive. So the thing is, though, this wasn't on consignment, so that's why they priced it lower. So that's how it works, kind of like at Crossroads stores. If they're not on consignment, because if they're on consignment, the person that's selling it can pretty much price it at whatever price they want. And then this one was actually sold to the store. The store bought it directly from the person, and this is the price that they put it at. So there's that. Okay, so now this one. Okay, are you guys ready? When I first saw this and then I saw the price, I was like, no, this has to be fake. But then upon further inspection and all that, it is definitely authentic. And if you guys watch my Instagram, I already posted like kind of like what this was, but here it is. It's a Prada briefcase style bag, like satchel. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. This was $75. Now it is soft Fiano leather. It does have like a little bit of crinkling and wrinkling, but you know what, like that's like the nature of the bag. That's gonna happen. But then just keeping it properly stuffed when not in use will prevent like further wrinkling, and honestly it doesn't really matter too much. And it's not like super obvious. Plus, like once you get stuff inside of there, it's gonna kind of like, it might even iron itself out in the future. But it does have, if you can, is it showing up on camera? It almost looks like it has like scratches. Okay, so like that is such an easy fix, and that's probably the reason why this was priced so low, is because it has those all over. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so easy to fix it, and I cannot wait to do a handbag rehab for you guys and fix this bag, because it's gonna be a stunner once it's all done. But yeah, look at all, is it coming up on camera? I hope you're actually being able to see it. But oh my gosh, this bag is so gorgeous. Soft Fiano leather, silver hardware. This one I think I'm definitely going to keep for myself, because it's such a cool bag. And the interior is all leather. It's like combination smooth, I think it might be lambskin, and then soft Fiano. And it does have like a little bit of like makeup stuff in there, but since it's on the black leather, it's gonna be super easy to clean, and it's gonna look fantastic. And I cannot believe I got this for $75. It has a top handle, it has a crossbody strap. It's gorgeous. I'm so excited. So that rounds out today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast showing you guys what I ended up getting. And again, like pretty much most of these items are going to be up in the shop. itsHadrian.com. And yeah, I'm definitely going to work on all these bags tonight, with probably the exception of this one and the Louis Vuitton, because I want to make dedicated like handbag rehab videos on them, because I know a lot of people always have questions about cleaning up the Louis Vuitton the canvas. And then this I think is going to be really useful for people that have soft Fiano pieces. So that is going to end the video again. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up. That always helps immensely. Don't forget to subscribe again, and check out the video for when I found all this stuff, because so much fun. It was such a good day today. And don't forget to check out the new video tomorrow at 7 and the new vlog up at 2. I love you guys so much. See you guys all later. Bye. I don't know how I overlooked this platter the first time, but it's beautiful yellow Falstaff like platter. It's so fun. I love it. Oh my gosh, I just had a vision of flowers. Oh no, it's gonna be okay. So now like I want to do like a table setting with all floral platters, like but flower shaped platters.